Most modern vehicles feature easy entry functionality, automatically extending the steering column to a comfortable driving position after vehicle entry. Behind this convenience is a precision-engineered telescoping steering column assembly integrating sliding tubes, bearing surfaces, and motor-driven actuation. The column adjusts across multiple axes, extending, retracting, and tilting to accommodate each driver. Meeting these performance requirements demands precise control of friction, alignment, and load distribution throughout the assembly. OEMs require the steering wheel to move within a tight speed range while overcoming the weight of the driver's hands and the moving components themselves. They further require smooth, quiet operation during adjustment. To achieve this, the electric motor must maintain constant RPM and torque across its entire range of motion. The steering column mechanism must deliver constant force and velocity at the wheel while ensuring constant speed and torque on the tilt motor. The constant torque motor eliminates the need to oversize for peak requirements. Since the tilt motor represents 20% of total steering column cost, designing for constant torque enables selecting the smallest possible motor, a major cost reduction opportunity. To meet these requirements, engineers traditionally rely on time-consuming hand calculations and spreadsheets that become overwhelming to manage. Project timelines rarely allow sufficient time, and engineers often doubt the accuracy of their calculations. Introducing Inventive Concept. It works alongside your native CAD systems, showing how parts interact, how tolerances affect clearances and functions, and most importantly, where you need precision and where you don't. Leading automotive suppliers, Nextier, JTEKT, ZF, Bosch, and Hyundai Mobis use Inventive Concept to model, analyze, and optimize steering column systems, improving performance, reducing costs, and accelerating time to market. Inventive Concept is a kinematic-based tolerance analysis system that allows engineers to analyze complex assemblies like steering columns. Each component's specification is captured individually. Inventive Concept uniquely models travel and effort studies required to optimize for OEM-specified steering wheel velocity of 11 millimeters per second while overcoming 100 Newton total load from hand weight and assembly weight. Analyzing an existing design, we find wheel speed uneven across its range of motion, not compliant with OEM requirements. The tilt motor load is also uneven, necessitating motor oversizing to handle peak requirements. To understand the root causes, we identify key contributing factors across all components and find two dimensions that critically influence tilt motor force: the lever bracket locating pin positions, which determine the steering column body sliding pad locations. Having identified this critical factor, we quickly adjust pin positions and rerun the analysis to confirm improvement. With updated pin locations, we confirm the tilt motor force is reduced and uniform across the full range of motion, and steering column velocity is also uniform. This enables significant motor size reduction, a 25% reduction in motor cost, the most expensive component in the assembly. Ready to bring higher quality, more profitable products to market faster? Request a concept demonstration today.